Good morning, respected assessors and my dear friends. Today, I would like to deliver a lecture on topic G20. The G20 or Group of 20 is an international forum consisting of 19 countries and the European Union. It was established in 1999 after the Asian financial crisis with the aim of promoting global economic stability and cooperation. The member countries together represents about 85% of world's GDP, 75% of global trade and nearly two-thirds of world population, which makes the G20 a very powerful and influential group. The members of G20 include major economies like India, USA, China, Russia, Japan, Germany, UK, France, Brazil, and Australia, along with developing nations such as Indonesia, South Africa, Mexico, and Argentina. The European Union acts as a permanent member representing its countries collectively. This mix of developed and developing nations ensure that global issues are discussed from diverse perspectives. The primary objective of G20 is to address global economic challenges such as inflation, unemployment, financial crisis, and sustainable development. Over time, its agenda has expanded to include important issues like climate change, digital transformation, public health, terrorism financing, and inclusive growth. G20 also focuses on reducing inequality and supporting developing countries through financial assistance and policy coordination. One of the most important features of G20 is annual G20 summit, where head of states or government meet to discuss pressing global issues. Along with leaders meeting, there is finance minister and central bank governor meetings as well as engagement groups like think tank, business B20, women W20, youth Y20 and civil society C20. These groups help in policy making by providing expert opinion and ground level perspectives. India hosted the G20 summit of 2023, which was a significant movement for the country. India's theme was Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, One Earth, One Family. Our future reflecting India's philosophy of global unity and cooperation. India highlighted issues such as climate finance, digital public infrastructure, women led development, and concern of global south. Hosting the summit enhanced India's global image and diplomatic influence. In conclusion, G20 plays a crucial role in shaping the global economic and political landscape. In today's interconnected world, challenges faced by one nation affect others as well. Platforms like G20 promote dialogue, cooperation, and collective solutions. For countries like India, the G20 is not just an economic forum but an opportunity to contribute meaningfully to the global governance. Thank you.